Hello friends, viewers and my beautiful subscribers. This is our YouTube channel Fashion Addiction. Friends and viewers, how are you all? Hope you will be fine. May God bless you with more happiness every day and with a smile on your face. Friends, this is your host Asad Shah and welcome back to my amazing channel Fashion Addiction. Friends and viewers, we have provided you some of the brilliant new outfit combinations and interesting ways to update your sense of styling and based on the feedback you are submitting. My dear friends, we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion. And today I am gonna show you some of the best and the gorgeous designs of choker necklaces for women. These necklace designs and looks are very pretty and gorgeous as well. And friends, definitely you will like them all. Friends, these are the styles of choker necklaces every woman needs in his wardrobe. And I have built a collection over a past few weeks and I am extremely happy with my wear. So friends and my lovely fans, I just want to request you, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so you can never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. Or if you like my video, then surely notification bell will definitely help you daily to get my fashion updates as soon as I publish them. My dear friends and my lovely viewers, you can see latest dresses, baby dresses, handbags, shoes, jewelries and everything that is related to current fashion. You can also watch every new fashion which is trending. So friends and fans, you can freely ask anything about fashion related queries like what outfit will suit you the most in current season or which outfit combinations are trending these days to stay updated. We have a huge variety of anything which is related to your fashion. And if you have an impressive sense of fashion, we can definitely learn something from you. Friends, take a look at this video and stay updated to my amazing YouTube channel Fashion Addiction. My dear friends, we brings you the best of the best from each designer's collection and making it possible for our viewers to feel like they have a personal stylist. So friends, if you are investing your precious money on shopping, then definitely just before going, take a look at my collection of these stunning articles. My dear friends, a humble request to all of my lovely viewers to please watch the full video of these designs and also press the bell icon so you can never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And if you don't press the bell icon, you will miss my further videos. And I don't want that you will miss any update from my channel. So friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you loved it. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Love you all guys.